Sa bayan sa Namangan, Zerka, Kaya sa Dono Nacienza, Miss Agatha Bucweso, our reading Miss Limanan, Miss Alexandra Krishnarino, and Miss Marge Mary Joy Darilay. I have now the results in my head. Our Miss Limanan Tourism 2025 is
Abay! Abay! Abay!
Miss Limanan Tourism 2025 is bago po yung maraming salamat po muli sa lahat ng aming sponsors, sa our board of trustees, satellators, our passion committee. Maraming salamat po, of course, actually headed by Mayor Elson Murfield and Sangguniang Bayan headed by Vice Mayor Ariel Tioy. Our Miss Limanan Tourism 2025 is Miss Limanan Ibig! Oh my God! This means our Miss Limanan 2025 is Miss Bacoor!
Okay na yan. Tourism naman. Ito.
Once again, your Miss Limanan Tourism 2025 is Miss Limanan Ibig! Maria Jama Sofia de Jos of Barangay